With the Rubrics tool in Sakai, instructors can create their own rubrics for grading. To create a new rubric from scratch, click the Add Rubric button in the Site Rubrics section. The rubric will be automatically created and saved with the name New Rubric. To rename the rubric, enter a name into the rubric title field and click the Save button. In the following example, we'll demonstrate a quick and easy way to edit this new rubric. By default, new rubrics have two criteria. To remove a criterion, click the X to the far right in its row and click Remove. To adjust the details of a rating, click the pencil icon for the rating. Enter a new title, add a point value, and click Save. We'll demonstrate adding the rating description after setting up the rest of the criteria for this rubric. Next, edit the title and point value for the other ratings of the first criterion. After setting up the ratings, the first criterion can be copied and modified to create the remaining criteria. To copy a criterion, click the Copy button to the far right in its row. Criterion can be copied multiple times. To rename a criterion, click the pencil icon to the right of its name, enter a new title, enter a description if desired, and click the Save button. Next, add descriptions for each rating. The rating descriptions should be brief, detailed, and clearly explain the expectations to the students. To add a blank criterion, click the Add Criterion button. To add a rating, hover over a criterion and click one of the plus icons that appear at the top right of the cells where the new rating is desired. To remove a rating, open its settings and click the Remove button. To reorder the criteria, click and drag the handle that appears at the top left of its row and move it up or down the list. To copy and use a public rubric, click the Copy icon to the far right in its row. A new copy of the public rubric will appear in the Site Rubrics section, and it can be modified as desired. To rename a rubric, click the pencil icon next to its name. After a rubric has been created, it can be associated with activities in other Sakai tools, such as assignments or gradebooks. Be aware that the point value for an activity and its associated rubric must match in order to avoid distorting student grades. After a rubric has been used to grade an activity, it will be locked in the Rubrics tool. The rating values for locked rubrics can no longer be modified. However, titles and descriptions within the rubric, as well as the ordering of its criteria, can still be revised. More information about the Rubrics tool can be found in our other videos, or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.